Have you ever said, "Did you happy?" Or maybe, "Was he tired?" Or perhaps, "I had went to school." If yes, don't worry. These are some of the most common English mistakes made by learners around the world. The good news is that after watching this video, you'll know exactly when to use was, did, and had in real English conversations. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to speak more naturally and confidently. So don't skip a single minute, because every example builds your speaking skills. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Horizon, the place where you learn real English in the easiest way possible.
Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important grammar lessons in English. Many students understand English, but when they start speaking, they become confused about was, did, and had.
Don't worry. Today, we'll explain everything with simple rules, real-life conversations, and easy examples. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly which word to use and when. Let's begin with was. We use was to talk about a state or situation in the past. Look at these examples. I was tired yesterday. She was happy. He was at school. The weather was beautiful. Now let's use them in real conversations.
Hi, Hamza. Where were you yesterday?
I was at the library.
Was it busy?
Yes, it was very busy.
Were you tired after work?
Yes, I was.
Was your brother tired too?
No, he wasn't. Remember, we use was with she, it. Examples. I was hungry. She was late. He was excited. It was cold. Now repeat after me. I was happy. Repeat. I was happy. She was busy. Repeat. She was busy. He was at home. Repeat. He was at home. Now let's learn did. We use did to ask questions or make negative sentences in the past. Look at these examples. Did you call your friend? Did she finish her homework? Did they watch the movie? Now listen to this real conversation.
Hi, Hamza. Did you go to the market yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you buy any fruit?
Yes, I bought some apples and bananas.
Did you meet Ali there?
No, I didn't.
Did your teacher give you homework?
Yes, she did.
Did you finish it?
Yes, I did. It wasn't difficult. Here is an important rule. Did you went to school? Did you go to school? Did she eat lunch? Did she eat lunch? Remember, after did, always use the base form of the verb. Now repeat after me. Did you eat breakfast? Repeat. Did you eat breakfast? Did she call you? Repeat. Did she call you? Did they arrive on time? Repeat. Did they arrive on time? Excellent. Now that you understand was and did, let's move on to had, where you'll learn how to talk about past experiences and actions that happened before another past event. Now let's learn had. We use had to talk about something that happened before another action in the past. It helps us show which action happened first. Look at these examples. I had finished my homework before dinner. She had left before I arrived. They had already eaten when we reached the restaurant. Now let's listen to some real conversations.
Had you finished your homework before dinner?
Yes, I had.
What did you do after that?
I watched a movie with my family.
Why were you late?
Because I had missed the bus.
Did you take another bus?
Yes, I did.
Had your parents arrived before the meeting started?
Yes, they had.
Was everything ready?
Yes, everything was ready before the guests arrived.
Now remember this important rule. Had plus past participle, V3. Examples. I had eaten breakfast. She had finished her work. They had gone home. Common mistakes. And I had ate breakfast. I had eaten breakfast. She had finished her work. She had finished her work. Now repeat after me. I had finished my homework. Repeat. I had finished my homework. She had already left. Repeat. She had already left. We had eaten before the movie. Repeat. We had eaten before the movie. Excellent. Now let's put was, did, and had together in one real English conversation. Hi, Hamza. You were late this morning.
Yes, I was. I'm really sorry.
What happened?
I had forgotten to set my alarm last night.
Oh, that's why. Did you miss the bus?
Yes, I did.
What did you do then?
I called a taxi and came to work.
Was the traffic heavy?
Yes, it was. There were many cars on the road.
Had your boss already arrived before you got here?
Yes, he had.
Did he say anything?
Yes, he did. But luckily, he understood my situation.
That's good. Next time, don't forget to set your alarm.
I won't. I learned my lesson. Let's review today's lesson. WSAs gives used for past states or situations. I was happy. She was at home. DID gives used for past questions and negative sentences. Did you call me? I didn't see him. HAD gives used for an action that happened before another past action. I had finished my homework before dinner. She had left before I arrived.
Excellent work. Today you learned how to use was, did, and had in real English conversations.
Keep practicing these sentences every day, and your English will become more natural and confident. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Horizon, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next English lesson.
And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Goodbye.